Hey you guys, I'm back with another video of cleaning and preparing my dinner. What a hot, hell hot. I hate when I get up and see when I cook. I like to put my things in bowls and things like that. My son like to put the whole bowl and pot in the refrigerator, and I don't like that. So how's your morning going? Mine's going okay so far. So you guys, I'm going to finish washing these dishes up. And I will be with you guys for the next step. Okay, you guys, I'll be back with you. Okay, you guys, I'm making coleslaw for dinner. Okay, this should be enough. This stuff going everywhere. See? And once again, I like to pick out the pieces and stuff that looks like that. Big pieces of cabbages. Because I like to enjoy my food. I don't like, look at it. See? Some folks probably like it, but Sue do not. Okay, so give it a little shake. Okay, I'm gonna add this. I usually make my own homemade, but I'm gonna try this. Oh. So I'm gonna continue to stir this, guys, and I will be right back. Okay, now I'm about to put my chicken on my gloves. Okay. You already know to make your seasoning stick. I add olive oil on my chicken to make my seasoned stick. Okay. And today, I'm making curry chicken. So here I have onion powder, onion powder. Uh-oh. Oh, this smells so good. Okay. Drain off a little bit more liquid. Okay. Just a little time, guys. Just a little bit of this. Because this can be quite strong if you use too much. So, it's a beautiful day. I'm going to add a little dash. I've been cleaning. I got up early this morning and just been cleaning. And cleaning, vacuuming. A little garlic salt. It's going to be a busy, busy week for me. Little black pepper. And once I put this on, I'm going to start wiping down my appliances and stuff. Last and not least, my curry. Making curry chicken. And you have to really be careful with this. This get on your countertop. It'll stain if you don't be careful. Then I massage this in my chicken. Okay, I'm going to show you how it looks. Like that black pepper want to make you sneeze. Okay. Okay, now I'm going to put this bad boy in the oven. Only got a drop of olive oil, so I'm going to use all of this. Bam! Okay, so here's my curry chicken. Gonna go in the oven. Okay, so I finna put my seasoning up, you guys, and wipe down my appliances, and I will be back. Okay, you guys, I finished preparing my coleslaw. Just want to add a little black pepper on top and put this in the refrigerator. And I'm preparing broccoli. I just want to cut this end off, you guys, this hard end. I already washed it. That hard core. That's what you do not want to eat. Okay. here. I already rinsed these boys off. I love broccoli, you guys. Okay. So here's my broccoli, if you can see. Okay. So that should be enough for me because I don't think my son is going to eat that. But he'll be able to eat the coleslaw. So I thank you guys for watching. And I'm finna get right back to cleaning. And I will be back later. Bye-bye for now.